Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Now the next topic is median for group frequency distribution. If the given classes are not continuous, we have to make them continuous to find out the median. Now there are 3 or 4 columns. First one is continuous classes, second one is frequency, and third one is cumulative frequency less than type. If the classes are continue, then 3 columns are used, and if classes are not continuous, then first make it continue, then solve. Now the formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF into H upon F. Now first find CF less than type, which is just greater than or equal to n by 2. The corresponding continuous class is median class. Now from the median class, L is lower class limit of the median class, n is sum of frequencies. Next, H is class interval of the median class. We know that it is the difference between upper class limit and lower class limit of the median class. Next is F, frequency of the median class. CF, it is the value of cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Now look at practice set 6.2. First question is, the following table shows classification of number of workers and the number of hours they work in a software company. Find the median of the number of hours they work. Now here daily number of hours and number of workers are given. Now first look at the classes. Classes are given here: 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14 and 14 to 16. Now in these questions the classes are continuous. Therefore we used here 3 columns. First one is class, second one is frequency, and third one is cumulative frequency less than type. Now class is given, daily number of hours, write down here. And the frequency is number of workers. Now write down the classes and their frequency. 8 to 10, 150. Now the next is 10 to 12, 500. Next one is 12 to 14, 300. Next 14 to 16, 50. See, less than type. Now I start from 150. Write down as it is. Now 150 plus 500, we get here 650. Now 650 plus 300, we get here 950. Then 950 plus 50, we get here 1000. Now look at here. Cumulative frequency less than type. 150. Add this 500, we get here 650. Now 650 adding 300, we get here 950. Now 950 adding 50, we get 1000. Now the total frequency is 1000 here. Write down. Therefore n is equal to 1000. Now calculate n by 2, which is equal to 1000 upon 2, means we get here 500. Now find CF less than type, which is just equal or greater than 500. Now look at column. Cumulative frequency is 650. Now the corresponding class is median class, means which is equal to 10 to 12. Write down here. Cumulative frequency which is just greater than 500 is 650. Write down here. Therefore, the corresponding class means 10 to 12 is the median class. L is the lower limit of the median class, therefore it is 10. 10 is the value of L. Now frequency of median class is 500. Now it is the value of F. And CF just preceding the median class is 150. Therefore it is the value of CF. Now here the value of H is equal to 12 minus 10. We get here 2. Now write down all the values here. L is equal to 10. F is equal to 500. CF is equal to 150. And H is equal to 12 minus 10, which is equal to 2. Now calculate the value of median by using the formula. Now write down the formula here. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF into H upon F. Now substituting all the values. L, the value of L is 10 plus n by 2 means 500 minus CF. CF is 150 into H. The value of H is 2 upon F. F is 500. Solve it. 10 plus 500 minus 150. We get here 350 into 2 upon 500. Now cancel it. 1 0 and 0 both are cancelled. Now 5 7s are 35, 5 10s are 15. Now we get here 10 plus 7 into 2, 14 upon 10, which is equal to 10 plus. Now 14 upon 10 is written as 1.4. Now add these two numbers, we get 11.4. It is the value of the median. Now write down the answer. Therefore, the median of the number of hours they work daily is 11.4. Next question is, the frequency distribution table shows the number of mango trees in a grove and their yield of mangoes. To find the median of data. Number of mangoes are given and number of trees are given inside the table. Now look at the class intervals. Classes are given here 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 200 and so on. Now look at here, the classes are continuous. Now write down the solution. If the classes are continuous, then there are 3 columns: class, frequency and cumulative frequency less than time. Now write down the classes here. Now the class is number of mangoes. Number of mangoes. And frequencies, number of trees. Now write classes and their frequencies. 50 to 100, 33. 100 to 150, 30. 150 to 200, 90. 200 to 250, 80. 250 to 300, 17. Then find cumulative frequency less than time. Now first write down as it is 33. Then 33 plus 30 we get here 63. Now 63 plus 90 we get here 153. 153 plus 80 we get here 233. Plus 17 we get here 250. Therefore total frequency is 250. Write down here. Therefore n is equal to 250. Calculate n by 2. Means n by 2 is equal to 250 upon 2, which is equal to 125. Find CF less than time, which is just greater than or equal to 125. Now look at the table here. The CF is 153, which is just greater than 125. Therefore, the corresponding class is median class. Now, it is the median class. Write down here. Cumulative frequency. Which is just greater than 125 is 153. Therefore, the corresponding class (150 to 200) is the median class. Now, from the median class, take out the values here. Now, L is lower limit of the median class, which is equal to 150, and F is frequency of the median class, means 90, and CF is cumulative frequency just preceding the median class, means here 63 is the value of CF, and H is class interval of the median class, means 200 minus 150 we get here 50. Therefore, write down all the values here. Here L is equal to 150, F is equal to 90, CF is equal to 63, and H is equal to 200 minus 150, which is equal to 50. Now calculate the value of median by using the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF into H upon F. Now substituting all the values, write down L means 150 plus n by 2, which is equal to 125, minus CF. CF is 63 into H. H is 50 upon F. F is 90. Now 0, 0 cancel. Now solve it. We get 150 plus. Now 125 minus 63. 5 minus 3, 2. 12 minus 6, 62 into 5 upon 9, which is equal to 150 plus 5 2s are 10, 0, carry 1, 5 6 are 30 plus 1, 31 upon 9. Now dividing 310 by 9. Now rough work is 310, it is divided by 9. We get here 9 3s are 27, remaining is 4, 0, then 9 4s are 36, remaining is 4, then 0, again 9 4s are 36, we get here 4, again we get here 40, and continue. Therefore we get here 150 plus 34.444. Now it can be written as 150 plus 34. Now after decimal there are 2 digits. Now look at the third one. If it is 5 or greater than 5, then we can simply add 1 to the digit. Now in this question it is less than 5, therefore write down 44 only. Now adding these two numbers, we get here 44. 0 plus 4, 4, 5 plus 3, we get here 8 and 1. Now it is the value of median. Now our aim is to find the median of number of mango trees. Now, but the number of mangoes cannot be in fraction. Therefore, it can be written as median is equal to. Now the equivalent value of 184.44, it can be written as 184 because after decimal number is 44. Therefore write down here. But the number of goes cannot be in fraction. Therefore, the number of mangoes is 184. Therefore, write on the answer here. The median of the data is 184 mangoes. Now the third question is, the following table shows the classification of number of vehicles and their speeds on Mumbai-Pune expressway. Find the median of the data. Now here average speed of vehicles in km/h are given and number of vehicles. Now look at the table carefully. The classes are 60 to 64, 65 to 69, 70 to 74 and so on. Now here the classes means average speed of vehicles in the table are not continuous. We know that to find the median the classes must be continuous. Now therefore there are 4 tables. First one is class, second one is continuous classes, next frequency, then cumulative frequency, less than type. Now write on the class. Average speed of vehicles in km/h. and their frequencies are number of vehicles. Write down here number of vehicles, Fi. Now write down the classes here. First class is 62, 64 and frequency is 10. Second one is 65 to 69, 34. 72, 74, 55. Next one is 75 to 79, 85. Then 82, 84, 10. Next one is 85 to 89 and the frequency is 6. Now with the continuous classes, we know that subtract 0.5 from the lower class limit of each class and add 0.5 to the upper class limit of each class. Now we get here, now subtract 0.5, here we get 59.52. Now add 0.5, 64.5. Now here subtract 0.5, we get 64.5. So adding 0.5, we get 69.5. Now here subtract 0.5, we get 69.5. Here add 0.5, we get 74.5. Next one, subtract 0.5, we get 74.5. Then add 0.5, 79.5. Subtract 0.5, 79.5. Here add 0.5, we get 84.5. Now the next one is subtract 0.5, we get 84.5. Here add 0.5, we get 89.5. Now look at here, the classes are continuous classes. Now write cumulative frequency less than type. Now here first frequency is 10, write down as it is. Now 10 plus 34, we get here 44. 44 plus 55, 99. 99 plus 85, 99 plus 5, 4. 14, 4 carry 1. 10 plus 8, 18. We get here 184. Plus 10, 194. Plus 6, we get here 200. Now we get here total frequency which is equal to 200. Therefore write down n is equal to 200. Now calculate n by 2. Therefore n by 2 is equal to 200 upon 2. We get here 100. Now from the value of n by 2, find CF less than type which is just greater than or equal to 100. Now look at here, the CF is 184. Therefore the corresponding class is median class. We take only continuous classes from this one. Therefore it is median class. Write down here cumulative frequency which is greater than, which is just greater than 100 is 184. Therefore the corresponding class here continuous class, the corresponding we can write here continuous class. 74.5 to 79.5 is median class. Therefore, from this find out the values. Now first lower limit, it is the value of L, and the frequency of median class is F, and the value of CF preceding the median class, it is the value of CF. And H means class intervals. Now here class is 74.5 to 79.5. Therefore, difference between upper class limit and lower class limit is called the class interval. Now 79.5 minus 74.5, we get here 5. Therefore, the value of H is equal to 5. Therefore, write down all the values here. L is equal to 74.5. Next, the value of F is equal to 85. Next, CF is 99. H is equal to 79.5 minus 74.5, which is equal to 5. Now, calculate the value of median by using the formula. Now write down the formula here. Median is equal to L plus N upon 2 minus CF into H upon F. Now substituting all the values, we get L means 74.5 plus now N by 2, which is equal to 100, minus CF. CF is 99 into H. Value of H is 5 upon F. F means 85. Now solve it, we get 74.5 plus 100 minus 99, we get 1 into 5 upon 85. Now cancel it. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 sevens are 35. We get here 1 upon 70. Therefore 74.5 plus 1 upon 70. Now here dividing 1 by 17, we get, now solve it. Here 1 is less than 17, therefore 0.0. Now 10 is also less than 17, again 0, here also 0, 100. Now solve it. 17 5s are 85, we get here 15. Then 17 8s are 136, we get here 104, and so on. Now after decimal, we get here 3 digits. Therefore, which is equal to 74.5 plus 0.058. It can be written as 74.5 plus. Now, generally after decimal, we write only 2 digits. Now look at the third one. If it is 5 or greater than 5, then simply add 1 to the digit. Now here third digit is 8, which is greater than 5. Therefore add 1 to 5. We get here 0.06. Now add these two numbers. Here write down 74.5, here 0.06. Add these two numbers, we get 6, 5 and 74. Now the final answer is 74.56. It is the value of median. Now our aim is to find the number of vehicles. Now the answer is in the form of fraction. Number of vehicles cannot be in fraction. Therefore, write down is equivalent value. Now after decimal 5, 6 is given. Therefore, the equivalent value here is 75. Therefore, the median of the data is, write down the answer. $75 vehicles. Now the next question is, the production of electric bulbs in different factories is shown in the following table. Find the median of the productions. Now here number of bulbs produced in thousands are given here and number of factories. Now first look at the classes here, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and so on. Now here classes are continuous. Therefore there are three columns. First one is class, second one is frequency and third one is cumulative frequency. Now write down the solution here. Class is given number of bulbs produced. Write down here number of bulbs produced in 1000. And number of factories. Write down here number of factories. Now write down all the values from the table. First class is 30 to 40 and their frequency is 12. Next one is 40 to 50, frequency is 35. Next one is 50 to 60, frequency is 20. Next one is 60 to 70, frequency is 15. Next 70 to 80, 8. 80 to 90, 7. And 90 to 100, 8. Now write cumulative frequency less than type. Start from 12. Now 12 plus 35 we get here 47. Now 47 plus 20, 67. 67 plus 15, 7, 5, 12, 2, carry 1. We get here 82. Next one is 82 plus 8, 90. 90 plus 7, 97. And 97 plus 8, we get here 105. Now total frequency given here is 105. Write down here. Therefore total frequency means n is equal to 105. Now calculate n by 2, which is equal to 105 upon 2. Now solve it, we get 52.5. Now find CF less than type, which is just greater than 52.5. Now it is 67. Therefore corresponding class is median class. Write down here cumulative frequency which is just greater than 52.5 is 67. Therefore, the corresponding class to 60 is the median class. Now from this find out the values. Now the lower class limit is 50. It is the value of L. Now frequency of the median class F. Now the CF preceding the median class is value of CF, cumulative frequency CF, and H is class interval 60 minus 50 means 10. Therefore value of H is equal to 10 here. Now write down here all the values. L is equal to 50. Next F is equal to 20. CF is equal to 47. and value of h is equal to difference between upper class limit minus lower class limit. We get here 10. Now calculate the value of median by using the formula. We know that the formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF into h upon f. Now substituting all the values, we get here L means 50 plus n by 2 means 52.5 minus CF. Now the value of CF is 47 into h. H means 10 upon f. F means 20. Now 0 0 cancel. Now we get here 50 plus. Now subtract 47 by 52.5. We get here 0.5. 12 minus 7, 5. 5.5 divided by 2. Here 2 is given. Now it can be written as 50 plus. Now 5.5 means 55 upon 2 into 10. We get here 20. Now dividing 55 by 20. We get here 22s are 40. 5 1, then 0.0 7s are 140. We get here 10 0 25s are 100. Therefore we get here 50 plus. Now the answer is 2.75. Now adding these two numbers, we get 52.75. Now in the questions it is in 1000, therefore write down here 1000. It is the value of median. Now it can be written as median is equal to, now multiply the number by 1000, we get 52750. It is the answer. Final answer is 52,750. Therefore write down the answer here. The median of production is 52,750 bulb. Allah Hafiz.